Mistplay pays in gift cards based on how long you play mobile games, while Long Game ties rewards to savings account activity and random prize draws, which makes the payout structure completely different from the start. By the end, you'll know which app actually puts more usable money in your hands faster, and which one only makes sense depending on how you already manage your money. Mistplay works in a straightforward way. You install games through the app, play them, and earn points that convert into gift cards for places like Amazon or Google Play. The key detail is that your earnings depend heavily on time spent playing and the games you're offered. It's designed for passive gaming rewards, not cash income. Most users treat it as a way to get small gift cards over time, rather than anything consistent or scalable. Long Game works differently because it's connected to a savings account. You deposit money into the account, and the app gives you chances to win cash rewards through games and challenges. The important part is that your real money stays in savings, and the rewards come from the system built around it. That means your outcome depends more on how much you save than how much you play. When it comes to actual payouts, Mistplay is usually more direct, because you don't need to deposit money to start earning. You can open the app, play games, and slowly build toward gift cards. The downside is that it takes time, and the rewards stay relatively small because everything is based on engagement. Long Game can feel bigger in value if you actively save, because the account itself is your money plus potential rewards. But if you're not consistently depositing, there's almost nothing to earn, which makes it less useful for casual users looking for quick returns. Another key difference is accessibility. Mistplay is simple to start, and works like a gaming reward app. Long Game requires linking a savings account, which immediately changes the purpose from earning rewards to saving with incentives. So in simple terms, Mistplay pays more in frequent small gift cards, while Long Game only pays meaningfully if you are already saving money regularly. Mistplay wins for casual users who just want rewards from gaming. Long Game wins only if you're already building savings and want a bonus system on top of that. If you want quick, low-effort rewards, Mistplay is the more practical option. If you want rewards tied to long-term saving habits, Long Game fits better. Like and subscribe for more straight answers on reward apps and side earning platforms.